called jerking.
What the fuck is that? Can you please stop doing that tune out? It's copyrighted. That's the video demonetized. I'm getting out of this fucking pie-ish van. Good morning, everyone. We slept in the woods, but you already know that because you watched yesterday's vlog. And if you didn't, go and watch it right now. Today we are going to bleep bleep bleep. I can't tell you because I've been sworn to secrecy. The amount of cobwebs on the back are ridiculous. We've already been had a telling off by the police because apparently we weren't allowed to park here. But like 5 meters that way would be fine. And we've got an actual really cool place to go today. So yeah, we're probably gonna eat breakfast there because we want to get there a bit earlier. The time is 38 minutes past 9. Tonight I finally get to sleep in a bed. You know, I slept in bed last night, but I get to sleep in a house. I get a shower. That's what I'm looking forward to. Damn. The woods have sent us into some delusional shit.
We were doing German forest mushrooms last night. It was fantastic. The living dead have come back.
Stuck in traffic. Only one thing. This episode today is sponsored by Word Puzzle. Why does this always happen to us? Literally can't see anything. Goes for miles. Often. What are you doing, you fucking dick? In case you missed any of that, we're making bacon sandwiches. Look at the state of this bread. Are we doing an epic meal time? Dead channel light, but I've got it. What's happening now?
We're halfway through Lloyd's sandwich and the traffic started moving up the top. So all systems go.
We're moving. We're moving.
Take that for me, please.
We're moving.
Ow, my toe.
Good work, team. I wonder how many people that lorry driver's killed. Where to next, Lloyd?
Edeka, motherfucker. Today you better go in disguise.
We're here at Edeka. Funny story, guys. We went to buy some water for the van. All that is fizzy water. And Al's in the bushes emptying them out so we can go recycle the bottles and get some cash back. A shitload of litres. That's what happens. I'll just explain that in Germany you can get money back on bottles. How many litres? 30. We're going to go back inside and get normal water with the money we've raised from the empty bottles because we're hardcore. No one in the world likes sparkling water. It's fucking horrid. Except the Germans.
Just come drink it out of the floor then. Easy having a bin, man.
I've pumped all mine.
Well, it's not pumped up.
Yeah, just...
Hell yeah. Still.
That's got to be it, hasn't it? Well, that's another challenge complete. We're going to hit the road again and see what else is going to fucking challenge us on this tour of Deutschland. Try that again.
What's this place we're going to?
What?
What's this next place we're going to?
It's a bakery that was owned by the SS.
Fuck off. Ooh. Everything out the back. Lloyd, did you want your bag? Okay. Right, lads and lasses. If you want to follow Al on Instagram, give him a message because he's bringing back loads of cigs, loads of fags, loads of booze, and he's flogging them all dead cheap. So if you like a drink and a smoke, let this fella know. Oh. Well, after going 3 miles on this track, we finally come across tarmac. Right, let's see if we can bribe this Gupta into letting us in. What's the good news? Anyone entering the grounds without permission can expect to be charged with an permission to enter the estate lawfully. It may be granted on request by phoning. Give him a fucking ring.
Hello.
Hello, do spraken the English?
Hello, du spraken the English.
There you go, sweet.
I tell you what, let me check first. I forgot what it's called.
What that means you ring the dead person.
Hello? Du spraken the English?
I would say,
A little?
yes, sure. Yes, it would be better to call in 1 hour. I'm still busy.
Yeah,
1 hour you could call me
yeah.
and we could talk. Or tomorrow in the morning, also possibly if you want to. Okay.
Okay, we'll call you back. Bye.
See you.
Thank you.
Yes.
And this is probably him now. Hey boys, wanna have a go in my love bus? So we sat down, we've had a grown-up conversation, and we're actually gonna come back here tomorrow. We're gonna go somewhere else now. And yeah, and then we're gonna finally get into Berlin city centre and get asleep, because that's where the Airbnb is. Okay, we're staying at a 5-star resort, right? We've got bitches on tap, bitches on call, mashed potato.
I don't want any of that.
Already ordered to the
I
room.
don't want any of that. Just want a bed and a shower, that'll do, mate.
No. Zamboni. Guys, we're finally in Berlin. We're here right now.
Leave at 6 a.m.
The greatest city in the world. We're here, Wardy, what are you saying?
Ever.
Good parking job, by the way.
Is that a joke?
Yeah.
Is it?
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Your ass is sticking out. As you can see, wheel far Zapata says, yeah. Anyway, we're off to get a shower, so I'll probably see you in the hotel room. If not, I'll see you all in hell. Goodbye, good night, love you all. Bye.